Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining. Today we got a box from Influenster, and it's not makeup, it's nothing, it's not hair, skincare, it's not nothing like that. It's actually a hair dye. So if you guys want to see how my hair ends up, please keep watching. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get more updates of when I get a new video, put up a new video. And to the recent subscriber, thank you so much for joining in. Well, today we actually got a influencer VoxBox. This is really different. This is actually a hair dye. And actually, I think they read my mind because I needed really good work on my hair, and they sent me this. It's called the Schwarzkopf KERATIN Color and Moisture. So opening the box, here we come with the booklet. It says Color Moisture is intense caring color that is formulated to help protect your hair from damage. That's actually pretty cool because my hair is really damaged. And so I got the Jet Black, which is this box right here. Jet Black 1.0 Color and Moisture, and it's for all hair textures. So deep nourishing effect, moisturizing conditioner, vibrant color results, and hair damage protection. It's actually pretty cool because it gives you like a lot of things inside. And it comes with macadamia nut oil. So let's open it up. I actually already used it, as you guys can see right now. I forgot to do an introduction before I started doing my hair. I totally forgot, and I'm like, okay, I forgot. Before I show you how I actually did my hair, like did the whole mess, I'm gonna show you guys what comes inside. So here is the mixture. And then here we have the conditioner. It contains, here is the mixture. The color cream is number 10. So rinse hair well after applicating. So I already used it, like I said. So you guys can see right here. My hair is so black. And also, before I had to do this whole mess, I had to put this. This is a pre-color serum. Now, I have dyed my hair before, so this is a first. This actually came in, so it says before coloring, twist cap, and apply pre-treatment on dry ends on your hair. That's a first because I have never tried it before. So you're gonna see how I did the whole thing. Here, I give you the introduction for my hair coloring. I'm like, no way I'm a professional, but we're still gonna try this. Okay, so I haven't done my hair in such a long time. I don't know what the hell, because that's conditioner. Color cream. What's this? 3-color serum. Here's the color cream too with the reverse side cap. So here's the okay. So I'm gonna get this one. Here's it. So it's gonna go. So then I'm gonna put this inside here. This is too much responsibility. Oh man, I have like a paper cut and it's stinging. I was supposed to wear gloves. Okay, so I have to put this before coloring, twist cap, and pre-treatment on dry end of your hair. So I have to put this first on my dry ends. It feels kind of dry when I put it on my hair. I wonder why, but it does smell good. Okay, so I guess that was it for the whole thing. And now it says that we have to like check this. I think it's already done. Yeah. Okay. Now the moment I throw is coming. I haven't dyed my hair in such a long time, and I'm scared. That's okay. So as you guys can see, my hair is like dark. It's actually like dark brown. So this is really like jet black. Jet black. I haven't dyed my hair in such a long time. I'm like, okay. Oh my god. Okay, so let's do it. The gloves. Shit, I forgot the gloves. Okay, now I can actually color my hair. I don't like gloves. Like I mentioned, I am not a professional, so I'm just gonna do it like whatever. Get my freaking split and those things are dead. I think for my long hair I needed like 2 boxes. It's a long time ago I used to just put my hair up. Actually no, it's not the first time they have sent me something so weird. Well, the first time was beans. That was random. Oh wow, it's actually turning black. That is fucking crazy. Look, it's already black. Like, oh, just black. That's crazy. Oh man, this is gonna be cool. I hope that doesn't stain. Shit. Okay, well, I guess that's it. There's no. Okay, so now I'm gonna tie it up because I'm already done. I think everybody should have tried this already. I don't know, the good old days when I used to put like a plastic bag. So that way it could actually like heat up a little bit. Oh my god, I look so funny. Okay, I'll take off my gloves. So back to the menu. It says here, if you're very 5 to 10 minutes. Wait, I'm confused. This is too much for me. If you're doing coloring, no experience, and okay, so we recommend. Oh, Jesus Christ, this is fucking hard. Okay, so I'm in the wrong instruction. Okay, so application, then after trying, on 30 minutes. So gonna make my phone and we're gonna wait 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So we're gonna wait 30 minutes and we're gonna wash this off and gonna do a follow-up tomorrow because it's late. So 30 minutes. And my hair ended up looking like this. My hair is jet black. The light is actually hitting my hair right here. You guys can see my hair's like jet black. Like, it looks really nice. It looks healthy. It looks really healthy. Like, looks way different, and it actually matches my personality. And I haven't dyed my hair like this in such a long time. Haven't done it. And I think on my high school, days, that's when I did it like jet black. And then I have some highlights, and now I have it like this. I was thinking of doing it blonde, but that's okay. I mean, this looks really nice. They say I look older. So here's the whole review for Green Color. If you guys are not subscribed to Influenster is kind of like a PR for us small influencers. They send you products so you can review, and you give them the thought, and they reward you with more boxes. So if you're not subscribed with them, it's an app. So go down below, my link in bio, link in bio. Click on my link and subscribe. You get points and I get points. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Let me know what you think about this video. Comment below. Follow me on social media, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and WordPress. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.